In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delegate access to a Google Workspace user's email. This can be a valuable tool for enhancing productivity and enabling collaboration within your team. Whether you're an admin managing a large organization or a small business owner looking to optimize your operations, giving specific access to emails can help streamline the communication and workflow. Let's dive right in. Begin by accessing your Google Workspace dashboard. This is your central hub for managing various apps and settings across your organization. Once you're there, locate the Apps section, which is typically on your left-hand menu. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a list of different applications under your Google Workspace domain. From this list, select Gmail. This takes you into the settings specific to your Gmail application, where you have the control to fine-tune how email is managed across your organization. Now, our next step is to navigate to User Settings. This option usually appears within the Gmail settings page. Click on it, and you'll see a range of features that can be customized to suit either individual users or your domain as a whole. Among these options, you'll want to focus on something called Mail Delegation. Once you've located this, select it. Delegation is essentially like handing someone the keys to a specific part of your communication without giving them full control over your entire account. This feature is ideal for situations where you might want an assistant to manage your emails or to ensure someone can cover essential communications in your absence. Here's where delegation truly becomes powerful. You'll see an option to let users delegate access to their mailbox to others within your domain. To enable this feature, simply tick the box adjacent to this option. By doing so, you're authorizing users to permit specific colleagues to access their email without sharing passwords or compromising security. It's designed to keep everything above board while simplifying the process of sharing necessary information. Remember, this is a setting that affects everyone in your domain, so ensure it aligns with your privacy and security policies before activating it. Finally, make sure to save your changes. At the bottom of the settings page, there's a Save button. Clicking this is crucial as it applies all the adjustments you've made. Without saving, all your effort up until this point won't take effect, and you'll have to start over. Once saved, the delegation settings are implemented across your domain, and designated users can start delegating their mail access to others as necessary. And there you have it. You've just learned how to effectively delegate email access in Google Workspace. This tool ensures that your team can communicate efficiently and that critical emails never go unread. A win-win in any productive environment. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful.